Today I am going to show you how to use Mailbutler for Gmail. Now, Mailbutler, when used on Gmail, is used as an extension, and its sole function is to make mailing life more streamlined and organized. So let's start off with setting up the Mailbutler extension. You want to head over to Mailbutler's website and head to the section that says Start using Mailbutler features now. It's going to open the next page and you're going to go over to the Gmail section. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. I already have Mailbutler, so where it says remove on mine, yours would say install. Once you've hit install, head over to the little puzzle icon on the top right hand corner of Chrome and pin the extension. You'll get a few emails to set it all up, and you now have Mailbutler installed.